All right, here we have roast beef part deux.
Okay, honey. Okay, honey, this is roast beef, multi-grain, and milk. What are you doing? She's like, nope, I can tell already. Hey, okay. Mmm. Mmm.
Yum.
I definitely did it better this time, but...
Now that's quite a flavor, isn't it? Look at that little face. It's
Okay.
so pretty. So cute.
Let's just eat now. Okay. Roast beef. Okay. Let's just keep it going before she realizes. No, I'm kidding. Damn it. Oh, then I had to spill some. Because then she got distracted. She didn't like it. And then I spilled it. She gave me that look. That's cute. Yep, she likes it. Mixed with multigrain. See, the first time in the video, roast beef didn't sell. I missed, I didn't do it. I didn't make it properly. It was dumb. She said, I hear something. What is it, honey? Mmm. Yep. She likes roast beef and gravy with multigrain and milk. Whole organic milk. Let's watch her eat the whole thing. Huh? She loves it. Is she clapping? Is it done? No, she just wanted to clap.
Yeah, that sounded pretty good.
It did. I thought, oh, remind me of the drumming circle. Yep, she loves it. I could have put some sweet potatoes in here. That's good. Baby food is really delicious nowadays. seemed like I remember everybody saying before, oh, the jokes about baby food.
Helen, would you concur with that statement?
I think so.
Oh, you get to the door, huh?
It tastes better with the multigrain. The multigrain is Earth's Best, organic multigrain with oats, spelt, which says it has kind of a hazelnut flavor, and barley. Yes. Oh, she goes, oh, really, dear Watson? That's the look she gave.
No.
She said, no, I did not. Look at that. She's eating it up. And she definitely still really only wants pureed, baby food. And so that's okay. If I only had that amount of teeth, I wouldn't want to chew either. I would want pureed. So that's what she can have pureed until she wants to chew.
Good job.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Empty.
Helen emptied her bowl. It's all done, baby. Oh, it's all done.
Sweet darling, yummy, that was good. She wants the flower. The carnation, dear. You get a flower. Yeah, that's what she was asking for. Oh. Well, she just busted it. The poor thing's dead now. Okay. Well. Oh. Let's hope the sound still works. I didn't call T-Mobile yet. Uh-oh. She's not going to let me have it. Okay. Well, you can have it then. Just don't put it in your mouth.
She heard, put it in your mouth.
I know. Oh. That's her Beelzebub. Okay, can I have that, please? Can I have that? Can I have that? Oh, excuse me. Woo. It's human. Are you going to start... Oh, my goodness. Are you going to start spitting pea soup? You loved that beef and gravy, didn't you? Whoa, now that's the biggest helping of beef she has had since forever. This is the first time in her life she's had a big helping of beef. And now she's the devil. Helen, Iris, what on earth? Yeah.
Who are you?
Jeez. I'm a little frightened. Helen, Iris, should I have not given you all that beef? Oh, mercy. That was the most beef ever. First time in her life, really, that she had a lot of beef. She loves it. Can I have that flower? Oh. I love you, Helen. You're so sweet. Oh, you got a flower for Mama? Oh, okay. Honey, are you offering it to me? Oh, dear. Would you like a drink of water? Would you like a drink of water? Oh. Oh, okay. All right. Over there. Helen, oh my goodness. Honey, doesn't that hurt your throat? Oh, okay. I thought you were offering it to me. Okay. Can I have that? Oh, goodness. Okay, let me see that stem. Oh, I'm frightened. Okay, I'll have that stem. Honey, are you sure you don't want a drink of water? Here, have some water. Come on. Oh, all right. Well, you don't have to then. Can I have that stem? Oh. Can I have that stem? Thank you. Honey, why do you hand it to me and then growl when I'm gonna, you know. Give me that stem. Give me that stem. Give it to me. Give me that stem. Can I have that? Can I have that? Oh, thank you. What's that? Okay, let's not put the flower. Are you saying he loves me? He loves me not. Oh, that was 2. Uh-oh. Nope. No. Give me that.
She got it.
She got it in. Here. Give me that. Let me see. Let me see. Honey, that was spit that she sucked in. I know. No, this is